This is an extra GoPro Karma that I got. Backpack. And I want to use it to put tools and stuff like that and parts for my GoPro Karma. So I'm going to cut it open and see what's inside. So I'm just doing a video. I'm going to probably cut it here at the ends because I really don't want to cut this stitching because I don't know if that's the stitching that keeps this together. You know, it keeps the top part together. So I'm just going to cut to see if I can just remove this part and see what's underneath. So if you're curious as to what's underneath, I'll show you. Kind of rubbery. You know what's nice is I can actually put it back if I want to, and it'll fit just fine. No big deal. But I need these pieces moved out the way. So it's the inside. It's a rubbery type of. I think it's to keep the water out. Maybe to keep it waterproof. It's a rubbery type of material. It's just like a belt. I don't know. Some type of material. This is more rubbery. Now I'm gonna do the top to see what's underneath there. Figure, let me see what's underneath everything. Okay, finished. And it's more of a sticky substance. It's glue on here. Still intact, I can always put it back. Okay, awesome. So that's what's underneath the backpack. I'm gonna appreciate the space. Oh, I used just a razor blade and my glasses to cut it open. The top part, I actually just peeled it off. And in the middle, I had to cut it because it was glued and I didn't want to rip this stuff. And then this, I just cut it all around. Because, I just cut it completely around the edges. Keeping this stitching, because I believe this is what's keeping this, you know, the top part together. So, I just cut underneath that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.